Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Wix Toolset on Windows. Wix Toolset is a powerful set of tools that helps developers create Windows installation packages, and getting it set up properly is the first step to building professional installers for your applications. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. From your Wix dashboard, start by opening a new browser tab and type in google.com in the address bar. This might seem like an extra step, but we're actually heading to a different site than your regular Wix website builder, so we'll need to search for it. Once you're on Google, you'll use the search bar to find what we're looking for. Type in Wix Toolset in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see several results appear, but we want to locate the specific one under firegiant.com. This is the official home of Wix Toolset, so click on that result to proceed. When the FireGiant site loads, take a moment to scroll down the page. You're looking for a button that says Get Started, which you'll find positioned under the label that mentions 15 million plus installs and counting. This impressive number shows just how widely used this toolset is in the development community. Go ahead and click on that Get Started button. Now, on the next page, turn your attention to the left navigation panel. Here you'll see various menu options. Click on Wix Toolset and the drop-down menu will appear with several versions and options. From this drop-down menu, locate the option labeled Wix v3 deprecated and click on it. Even though it says deprecated, this version is still widely used and stable for many projects. After clicking on Wix v3, you'll see another option appear. Click on Wix v3 Overview to access detailed information about this version. This overview page is incredibly valuable, so take some time to read through it carefully. You'll find tutorials and appropriate links listed that explain how to use the toolset effectively. These resources will be helpful once you have the software installed, so consider bookmarking this page for future reference. Once you've familiarized yourself with the overview and feel ready to proceed, look for the Download button. Click on Download Wix v3.14.1 inch to begin downloading the installer to your computer. The download should start automatically, and depending on your internet connection, it may take a few moments to complete. And there you have it, you've successfully downloaded Wix Toolset v3.14.1 to your Windows machine. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.